All right, if you've ever wondered how some people seem to make real money on Instagram while others post every day and get nothing, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how to actually make money as a content creator on Instagram and how tools like GramGenies can help speed things up. Now, let's be real for a second. Instagram isn't just about pretty pictures anymore. It's a full-on attention economy. The people who win are the ones who grab attention fast, keep people engaged, and turn that attention into income. So the big question is, how do you actually do that? First, you need to understand that making money on Instagram comes down to three simple things: attracting the right audience, building trust, and then offering something valuable. Sounds simple, but in practice, it's a lot of work. You need to consistently post content, stay on top of trends, reply to messages, and guide your followers toward your offer. That's where most people get stuck. They either burn out or they just give up. This is where GramGenies comes in. GramGenies is designed to help you handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the strategy, not just the grind. Let's break down how you can actually use it to make money. Step 1. Build your audience with the right content. Instead of guessing what to post, GramGenies helps you create different types of content based on your goal. For example, top-of-funnel content is designed to go viral and attract new followers. This is where you grab attention, short, engaging reels that stop the scroll. Then you have middle-of-funnel content. This is where you build trust, educational posts, tips, and insights that position you as someone worth listening to. And finally, bottom-of-funnel content. This is where the money is made. These are posts or videos that introduce your product, service, or affiliate offer. The key is having all three working together, and that's exactly what most creators are missing. Step 2. Turn engagement into income. Getting followers is great, but if you're not converting them, it doesn't matter. GramGenies helps automate part of this process by handling DMs and comments. For example, when someone comments on your post asking for more info, the system can automatically send them a message with your link or offer. This is powerful because timing matters. When someone shows interest, you want to respond instantly, not hours later when they've already moved on. Step 3. Stay consistent without burning out. Consistency is everything on Instagram, but let's be honest, creating content every single day is exhausting. With GramGenies, you can plan and generate content in advance. You can create reels, posts, and captions faster, schedule them, and keep your account active without being glued to your phone 24/7. This doesn't mean you disappear completely, but it gives you breathing room. Now, let me be clear about something. This is not a magic button. You still need a clear niche, a good offer, and a basic understanding of your audience. But what tools like GramGenies can do is remove friction. They help you execute faster, stay consistent, and capture opportunities you might otherwise miss. And in today's fast-moving attention economy, that can make a huge difference. So, if you're serious about making money on Instagram, start thinking like a system builder, not just a content poster. Focus on attracting attention, building trust, and converting that trust into income. Use tools to support you, not replace you. And most importantly, take action. Because the people who win on Instagram aren't the ones with the most talent, they're the ones who show up consistently and adapt quickly. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next one.